Good afternoon and namaskar. The Earth News Ladakh Bulletin welcomes you all. So friends, here are the today's Ladakh news. The exiled Tibetan spiritual leader Dalai Lama will visit Ladakh this summer after accepting an invitation from a delegation representing key religious bodies of the Union Territory. The schedule and duration of the visit have not yet been disclosed, but according to LBA President Chering Dorje Lakruk, the Dalai Lama kindly accepted the invitation and agreed to visit Ladakh to offer blessings to the people, continuing a long-standing tradition of regular visits that was interrupted only during the COVID-19 pandemic period between 2020 and 2022. The visit is expected to draw considerable public attention across Ladakh, where the Dalai Lama's presence holds deep spiritual importance. His teachings have long resonated among followers of the Tibetan Buddhism in the region, and his visits have historically attracted large gatherings. The LG of Ladakh, Vinay Kumar Saxena, called upon the international community to collectively pursue a path rooted in peace, compassion, and ethical responsibility, most enduring guide to address present-day conflicts. He said the Asian Buddhist Conference for Peace held in the Bodh Gaya, convened to commemorate the 90th birth anniversary of Dalai Lama. The Lieutenant Governor emphasized that the principles of the non-violence and compassion central to Buddhist philosophy offer a valuable framework to mitigate conflict and foster stability. He noted that in a world marked by uncertainty and division, these values assume greater urgency and relevance also. The Ladakh administration has set in motion efforts to align the potential of the region's handloom sector, particularly pashmina and wool-based products, with evolving global demand and export standards, with a seminar in Leh outlining a policy and institutional roadmap to scale up production, improve quality and expand market access. The seminar on export awareness and enhancement, organized by the HEPC at the conference hall. Administrative Secretary Bhupesh Chaudhary, addressing the gathering, emphasized that the textiles sector offers considerable scope for growth in the global marketplace and called for a sharper focus on the product quality and authenticity. He also urged entrepreneurs to orient their production towards export requirements and invest in the market development, noting that the sustained engagement and innovation, particularly from the younger participants, could reinforce the sector's competitiveness of the Ladakh and Kargil also. The sky is never the limit. Indian astronaut Subhanshu Shukla told an attentive gathering of students in Leh, urging them to look beyond conventional boundaries and pursue excellence with discipline and conviction, as he shared insights from his journey in space exploration. The program, attended by the Bhanu Prabha, Administrative Secretary for the Higher and School Education, is organized to provide students with direct exposure to developments in space and science and to encourage informed career aspirations in the sector. The session, held at the Elzier Joldan Memorial College, Leh, which brought together the students from Leh and Kargil districts. A delegation of monastic leaders from Nubra Valley met former chairman and chief executive councillor of the BJP-led LAHDC Leh, Tashi Gelson, to discuss ongoing support and future development of a key educational institution in the region. Former CEC Gelson gave a patient hearing to the delegation and reiterated his continued support for educational and monastic institutions in the Nubra Valley, emphasizing the need to strengthen such centers in remote areas. Gelson assured them of his continued engagement and support, also underlining the importance of strengthening educational facilities in remote regions such as Nubra Valley, where such institutions play a vital role in community development. thanks for keep watching us, friends. We will meet later with more updates and information. Thank you so much and good afternoon.
I was very nervous about starting my 11th JEE preparation, but SP Smart School made it easy for me. They start from basic and build up to advanced concepts. The hybrid schooling system helped me manage my JEE and board studies together. The teachers also checks on our mental health so that we don't feel burnout. Now I have started believing that SP Smart School along with hard work leads to success.
Transforming education through life skills and lifestyle learning.
Beyond books, excellence in sports, NCC and co-curricular activities.
At Kingstar, every facility speaks of quality and commitment. From professional cricket grounds to advanced indoor setups, Kingstar provides everything a young sportsperson needs to perform at the highest level. With commerce and humanities, we lay the foundation of careers in finance, business, and the social and governance sector, building leaders in finance and business, shaping leaders in society and governance. Highest positions in boards and competitive. NEET Sure for medical students, JEE Sure for non-medical students, and direct programs for commerce and arts.
Turning medical dreams into NEET success. 100 plus SP Smartians on the path to becoming doctors.
Admissions are open for classes 11 and 12 in medical, non-medical, arts and commerce streams. SP Smart School. Visit our campuses to register.